How long have you been wearing that watch? Has it been months? Has it been years? And you haven't cleaned it? Clean that thing. That's nasty. I'm Brandon, and welcome to Crown & Caliber How To, where we show you the how-to on all the basics of watch collecting. Today, we'll be showing you how to safely clean your watch so you're not walking around with a bunch of germs strapped to your wrist. When washing your watch, the most important thing is to make sure that your watch is at least 50 meters water resistant. This Rolex Datejust is 100 meters water resistant, so we should be good to go. Another thing to take note of is make sure that the screw down crown is nice and secure. If it is loose in any way, water can get inside of your watch. Big no-no, big problem. So what we have here is our bowl of water with a drop of dish soap. We have our watch, of course. We have our horsehair brush. Horsehair brushes are nice and soft and they won't scratch your watch. And we have our microfiber cloth to dry it off when we're done. We'll dip the brush in the water, give it a little stir, get those suds a-working. Grab our watch and just softly brush it down. Because these bristles are so soft, it's not going to scratch your watch. Definitely get in on that bracelet. Again, this doesn't have to be rough at all. Just gentle scrubbing. So we got all of the outer portion of the watch. Now let's do the underside of the bracelet. We can pop it open, get in there in all those little crevices. If your watch is rated at 50 meters of water resistance or more, then some soap and water will do fine. If it's less than that, you'll have to take a softer approach. We'll typically use a microfiber cloth with a dab window cleaner, and you can clean it off with that. So you can remove the bracelet if you want to clean in between the lugs, but this watch is pretty clean, so I don't think that it's necessary. But if you need to remove the bracelet, don't worry, we have a how-to video on that. Check it out. Now we need to rinse off all this soap. We'll need a bowl of clean water. Oh, thank you. Now again, this watch is 100 meters water resistant. We will put it in the water, right? This, again, making sure that the screws are nice and tight. All right, then we'll just wrap it up and give it a nice dry. Because the microfiber cloth is nice and soft, you're not gonna scratch your watch. All right, look at that. That is shiny. Nice, clean watch. All right, you have a shiny new watch, maybe not new, but a shiny, clean watch. There you go. All right, again, I'm Brandon. This is Crown & Caliber How To. Until next time.